What's up, guys? Brett with We Got Auto with Truck. Today we're parting out of 2010 Cadillac SRX, stock number N01180, 109K on it. Got good sensors coming off the front bumper. Got a good front bumper rebar. Got a good grill on the vehicle as well. Good right headlamp on here. Good left headlamp. Got good front sensors coming off of there. Decent scratch on the hood there. No other physical damage listed. Still looks very good. Left knee's gonna go complete. Control arm, spindle strut. Got a good left door mirror on here. Parts on the left doors. Good glass, good regulators coming out of each. Got a good quarter glass on the left side here. Complete left rear suspension. You got a good rear carrier. Good transfer case here in the vehicle. Good tail lamp on the left. That's in great condition. Got rear sensors. Good rear rebar as well. Right tail lamp in excellent condition. Lid gate in great shape here. Clean. Got some scratches. Couple of pings by the emblem. Overall in pretty good shape. Good quarter glass on the right here. Right doors are going to go parts as well. Good glass, good regulators coming out of those. Good door mirror here on the right. Right knee complete. Control arm, spindle strut. Take a swing to the inside. Trim's in great shape all the way around, tan black. Got a little bit of wood there as well. Good master for windows and mirrors. Leather seats in good condition here. Looking good. Electric. Got good passenger side seat there as well. Clean. No rips, tears, or burn holes. Back seat 60-40 split in excellent condition. Got a good roof glass. Big boy. Complete with tracks and motors. Good roof bag here on the passenger side. Same with the dash bag over there. Good glove box in the vehicle. Good display. Good receiver in here. Master for heat and AC. All in great shape. Floor shifter looking fine. Got a good center console in here as well. Column. Great shape, comes with the wheel. You got a little bit of wear here on the wheel, but not too bad. Still looks really, really good. Got a good wheel bag here on the driver's side. Good roof bag here on the driver's side as well. And the speedometer, excellent condition. I don't really know what the issue is with the fob here. It says there's no key. No key. They're silly. There's definitely a key. Maybe the battery's dead. I'm not really sure. But I can't start the engine for you guys. This is a real bummer for me. But you guys know what to do. 109K, 10 Cadillac SRX. Give a shout to sales with any questions you guys have, because you already know they will be more than happy to give you the help you need.